Alright, so today, a little update on this here Matco Serpentine belt puller. I went out and got, where in the fuck? Stay with me, don't go anywhere. You guys see it? Alright, well anyway, I went out and got the extra sockets. I'm missing the 12. It's walked off on me since I got it. It's a bad 12. Bad 12 millimeter. I went out and got an 8, a 10, an 11, and a 12. The 12 is just like these. It's their 6-point. The 8, however, I could not find in anything but the spline drive. Or universal, whatever they call it. But the real update is the Gearwrench ones that come in the set are low profile. They don't quite fit as well. They still work in the ratchet. They're just not as low profile as these would be. They're just not as low profile as these Matco or Gearwrench ones. So if you're going to buy these to complete your set like I did, just remember, they're going to be off by a little bit. I don't think that's really going to hurt a lot because you save a lot of room, a lot of width, depth with this here wrench design anyway. So I don't think that little 1/4 inch or whatever is going to matter. Now if you really wanted to, you chuck this up in a lathe or a drill or something and take some of this down to make them low profile, but that's another story. If you buy the 12 like I did but can't find, and it's pissing me off, you're gonna have to figure out another way to get it in here because these do not like to close when those are all standing up. Ah, son of a bitch, I hooked it on my tripod. I can show you now. Never mind, they do fit. Woohoo! So when you buy your extra sockets, I always keep the 10 millimeter in mind because you need to keep one in your little wrench here. If you want to keep it in the blow molded case, if you want to take it out, take it out. You can do whatever you want to do, but you'll have to keep one in your wrench there and lay the other 3 down. And she locks up. She goes right with you wherever you need to go. All your sockets are in the same place. Handy dandy little kit, like I said. Even though this is Gearwrench, and I'm not a fan of Gearwrench because they're going to all to China. This is Taiwan made. It's the good Gearwrench. Yeah, Taiwan. Don't spend 150 bucks on this thing from Matco. Go buy the Gearwrench one. I'll leave a link in the description and save yourself 100 bucks. I mean, come on. It's the same damn thing. And you can buy Craftsman sockets, I think Husky sockets, probably Crescent. They have that same design there. Craftsman. All these sockets work the same. So get the cheapest ones you can. They all got lifetime warranty. A lot of them are still Taiwan made. Do that, save you a few bucks, complete your set, have a good old low profile socket set with you, and a Serpentine belt tool all in one. That's my little update. As always, like, comment, share, subscribe. Love, hate, hardknocksforge@gmail.com. Don't send me any paintings because they never fit.